Assalamualaikum beautiful people, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing good. So today we are gonna make chicken Lazeez. So for chicken Lazeez curry, here I have 1 kg of chicken which is washed, green chilies 10 to 15, 8 to 9 cloves and 2 inches of ginger, 1 large onion or 2 to 3 medium size of onions. Firstly we have to boil it and we will blend it. 1 cup of yogurt and 1 full cup of puree. Here I took 4 tomatoes, 1.5 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, allspice powder 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon and coriander powder 1.5 tablespoon. So firstly we have to marinate the chicken. So I'm gonna add the yogurt, I'm gonna add the ginger garlic paste, add salt, turmeric powder, paprika powder, cumin powder. Now mix it. Now marinate it for half an hour. Now boil the water and add onions, chilies, cloves and ginger. Let it boil. We have to boil it till it gets soft a little bit. Boil it on a medium flame. Now we will blend it. Now add the oil. Now we will add the blended paste. Add the whole masala. Now add 3 to 4 green cardamoms, cinnamon sticks 2 to 3, 4 to 5 cloves, black pepper and mace. Black pepper it's about half teaspoon and 1 mace. We have to roast it. Now we will add the chicken, marinated chicken. Now add the puree, coriander powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, allspice powder. Now mix it. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please go and subscribe first. Press the bell icon so you will never miss any video from Cook with Komal. Firstly, we have to cook it on high flame for 5 to 10 minutes. So now it's boiling. We will cover it and cook it on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Till the chicken get tender completely. Now after 20 minutes we have to stir it. Cook it until the oil gets separate completely and water evaporates. Now after 20 minutes we have to stir it. Cook it until the oil gets separate completely and water evaporates. Okay, now so it's enough. We have to add some water 1 cup of water and let it boil. Now we will add some coriander leaves, ginger, having a julienne cut, and green chilies. Add some ginger. So now it's enough. Add some more coriander leaves, ginger, and now in the end green chilies. Now we'll dish it out now. It's ready to serve. Now so its final look. You can serve it with rice or naan, whatever you want. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Share this recipe with your friends and family and also share your experience with me. How's it? Do you like it or not? Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.